Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money on your Betwinner account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to betwinner.com. From here, make sure to sign in. And now once you're signed in, this is where you can make a deposit. So as you can see, I'm just going to my user account here. Now to make a deposit, it's going to say deposit here under account, or you can go ahead and click on that make a deposit button like so. And then once you clicked on that, we've got payment systems that we can deposit. So we can deposit via a whole different way. So we can use MoneyGo, MyAffinity voucher, and we've got all these different cryptocurrencies we can use to make a deposit inside Betwinner. And you can also filter here. So we've got all methods. If you want to do e-vouchers, you can deposit via an e-voucher, e-wallet, internet banking, and cryptocurrency. Now, for example, if I want to use recommend methods, MoneyGo, I'm going to click onto that. Now we've got to put in our wallet number, MoneyGo, and then click confirm. And then on the next page, just put in the amount of money you'd like to make a deposit into Betwinner and just go ahead and continue with your transaction.